1 year and I see some Nasia no Mampeni so ya wakasa na de watching na and say share mu so bi wa ha na obi wa ha enipa ba kontin kabom ene bia koye ne kroye ne hiase be de bekekere me emunsem eni.
Today we gather not as members of different faiths or political traditions, but as one people united in gratitude, humility, and reflection. Today we gather to give thanks. We give thanks for life, we give thanks for peace, and we give thanks for the opportunity to serve. 1 year ago, the people of Ghana entrusted this administration with a sacred responsibility to lead our nation through a difficult period, to restore hope, to stabilize our economy, and to reset the direction of our national development. Today is not a celebration of power. It is a moment of thanksgiving for the opportunity to serve the people of Ghana. Today is not a declaration of triumph. It is a reaffirmation of purpose.